or types of CSMA, carrier sense multiple access. We have 4 versions, but on our level we deal with only these 2. We deal with CSMA with collision detection and collision avoidance. If we start with collision detection, this collision detection is primarily used in Internet network, particularly in traditional wired Internet. In CSMA CD, device on the network listen to the channel and only begin transmitting if the channel is free. Here it is how it works. Carrier sense, firstly, before sending the data, the device must check if another device is already transmitting on the channel. Mbere yuko yohereza ugomba kubanza kureba cyangwa se kugenzura niba nta yindi device iri gukoresha iyo channel. Multiple access means that we have multiple devices shared on the channel. They share the channel and there is a potential for simultaneous transmission, meaning that zishobora kohereza icyarimwe. Hari amahirwe menshi yuko zishobora kohereza icyarimwe. Collision detection. Detection collision. If collision occur, niba collision ibaye occur cyangwa se ibaye, both devices stop immediately. Zombi zigomba guhagarika transmittinga data. The collision is detected using a method such as monitoring voltage level and the right. Ikoresha method yo kumonitoringa voltage zose ziri gukoreshwa muri iyo channel. Hakaza indi twita back off. Back off, after detecting a collision, each device waits for a random period of time called a back off before attempting to retransmit. Nyuma yuko habaye detecting collision yabaye detected, buri device yose itegereza igihe runaka. Icyo gihe runaka nicyo twita back off. Itegereza igihe runaka mbere yuko yongera kohereza. Icyo gihe itegereza nyuma yo kudetectinga collision nicyo twita back off. Where is CSMA/D used? Ese ikoreshwa he? It is used in wired Ethernet network, especially order 10/5. Mu bwoko bwa Ethernet network bwitwa 10/5. Tuzakureba iki 10 bivuze, base kivuga ndetse ni 5 kivuga. And it is used in full duplex Ethernet or switched Ethernet environment. Aho dukoresha switch. Ubwo ni bwa bwoko bwa Ethernet twita switch Ethernet. No, iyi full duplex, it is data transmission mode. Data transmission mode. Called the full duplex, where we have at least 2 devices they can send simultaneously. We have data carrier sense multiple access with collision avoidance. Now here tuvuye muri detection, detecting. Now tugeze kuri avoidance. Is used in wireless network, example for a Wi-Fi. Iyo tuyikoresha muri wireless, where detecting a collision after they happen is difficult due to the broadcast nature of the wireless signal. Aho tuyikoresha muri wireless aho kudetectinga, aho kugira ngo dukoreshe CD kudetectinga collision nyuma y'uko ibaye, biza kuba ari ingorabahizi kubera nature ya wireless signal. Instead, CA try to prevent collision from occurring in the first place. Ahubwo yo irinda ya collision, igerageza kurinda ya collision imbere y'uko. Collision avoidance, no tugeze ukuntu ikora. Collision avoidance, to prevent potential collision, CSMA/CA use techniques like back-off timer and request to send or clear to send. Yukuntu collision ishobora kuba ikoresha uburyo bwa back-off timer cyangwa se request to send cyangwa se ndetse na clear to send. Back-off timer, if the channel is busy, the device waits for a random of period before the checking. Mbere yuko niba channel yacu iri busy, device cyangwa se ya node izategereza igihe runaka mbere yuko checking. Nayo tuzegeze kuri request to send and clear to send. Device yaka uburenganzira bwo gutransmitting, ikabikora yohereje signal yitwa request to send. No, device runaka iyo receiving ya signal is already receiving device is already, mu gihe device iri ready y'ibishobora kwakira, it replies with CTS cyangwa se clear to send signal, nayo yohereza clear to send. No ushobora kohereza. This exchange helps prevent other devices from starting the transmission during this time. Ibi ngibi bikaba kugira ngo ubashe kuba twarinda ko device ishobora kongera, hari device ishobora kohereza muri iki gihe. Ukuvuga device ishaka kohereza itanga request to send, yohereza signal isa nkaho irimo kwaka uburenganzira bwo gukoresha icano. None iri bwakire nayo igatanga notification yuko channel iri free, bivuze ngo iri ready yo kwakira. At that time ushobora guhita wakira. Iyo receiving signal izaba niyo twita clear to send, nawe ushobora kohereza. Where is CSMA used? Ese iyi collision avoidance tuyikoresha muri Wi-Fi network, ensuring that devices do not interfere with each other, kugira ngo hatabaho collision. Ahandi ni muri wireless network ni CSMA/CA due to a hidden nodes problem where a device can detect each other's signal and could unintentionally collide. Ukuvuga dushobora kuyikoresha muri iyo wireless network aho dusanga hari devices zihishe bishobora guteza ikibazo. Bityo rero buri device kuba yuko tudashobora kudetectinga buri device signals bishobora gutuma habaho impanuka, tuvuge gutyo. Hano tukagira ese n'irihe tandukaniro riri hagati ya collision avoidance and collision detection. Iyi collision avoidance tuyikoresha mbere y'uko collision iba, naho collision detection yo tukayikoresha after collision, nyuma y'uko collision yabaye. It is commonly used in wireless. Twabonye yuko collision avoidance tuyikoresha muri wireless network, mu gindi ikora muri wired network cyangwa se muri Ethernet network. Minimize possibility of collision. Kuba yuko iba mbere yuko collision iba ishobora kuminimizinga collision. ariko mu gihe iyi ngiyi irimo kugerageza kureducinga recover time, igihe twatwara kugira ngo turikavaringe data. Nangaha birakomeza, it is used in 802.11 standard. Iyi ni standard ya IEEE of 802.11 standard dukoresha muri wireless, used in wireless. Mu gihe iyi ngiyo ni standard ya IEEE 802.3 dukoresha muri Ethernet, muri wire. When a collision occurs on the Ethernet LAN, igihe collision yabaye muri Ethernet LAN, the following happens. Hari ikintu kiba. Jump signal informs all devices that collision occur. Habaho ko haza sinyari imenyesha izindi devices zose ko habayeho icyo twita collision. Iyo jump signal ni sinyari imeze gute? Is a signal sent by a device on Ethernet network to indicate that the collision has occurred on the network. Sinyari yoherezwa na device runaka kuri Ethernet network igerageza kwerekana cyangwa se kumenyesha izindi ko habayeho collision muri network. Yego, that is the end of this one.